Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to build and configure alarm system in FactoryTalk Optix. Use OPC UA to communicate with PLC and display alarm on the screen. Let's get started. First, I create a small program in the shared PLC. Okay. It's the same program before I use this one. Okay, variable 1, variable 2, okay, it's variable 3, it's an increase, it's changing. Okay, sorry. Then use OPC UA communication. Now we start FactoryTalk Optix. We create a new program. It's alarm OPC UA. First, we set up communication. Here is endpoint. We just use this. All this similar before. Is OPC UA is here. Then we go to alarm. First is create a screen. Okay, now we go to alarm. Is folder, right click. We can see here is a lot of alarm signal. Digit alarm, exclusive level alarm. Digit alarm is digital, okay. Level alarm is analog, okay. This all is analog. We just use first one. Digit alarm. Okay. Second one is exclusive alarm. We need the 3, okay. Then with the digital alarm, first is the digital alarm. We show the connection is OPC is Tiger, okay. Digital alarm, input variable in here, light, go here, okay. Is message, okay, see the system is on, okay. We just show you. Second one, level alarm is variable 1, okay. Variable 1 and put here is high, which is high limit. We can use 700. It's high, we can say 950, okay. Then variable 2 is high, we can use 0.90, okay. 0 0.95 is that matter. We just testing. Is level 3 is variable 3. Okay, here let me see. Variable 3. Four, okay, is increase for 4 point high is 4.1. Okay, is high 4.4. Okay, that's it. So we should create the panel. Alarm panel. In here, okay, we can create is LED put here slide the button, 2 button, okay. The which one variable, okay, which one text in here is variable 1, variable 2, variable 3. Okay, now we go to library, we click, go to widget, we can see alarm grid, okay, we choose this one, draw and drop in here, okay, close, we can okay. In here we can vertical touch switch. Okay, that's it. This alarm. So this button we use start. Okay, this button start. We can click here mouse. Variable all the similar before. Toggle and this variable we can use start stop. In here PLC start, put here. Okay, this stop. Command variable talk stop. Okay, is this one is in here. Is variable 1. Okay, variable 1 is variable 2, this variable 3. Okay, that's it. Then the panel alarm panel. Then go to here. Is the main panel. Oh, sorry, it's main panel. Alarm panel. Put here. Okay, that's it. We can testing. Oh, sorry. We save. Test. We can start. Look, is alarm is on. Look, here is X level alarm is on. Here digital alarm. Yeah, we can confirm. Stop. We can start. Let me see. Okay. Acknowledge. Always acknowledge. Confirm. Okay. Look, start again. Oh, sorry. Look. This alarm in here. Digital alarm. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Confirm. We can stop. Okay, we acknowledge. We confirm. Is everything come? Okay. This just the alarm. Thank you very much.